EmpowermentExpertAcademy.com with Louise and Maurice.
That was such an interesting section, wasn't it? Because it puts you in that place of, wow, I never thought of stress and how it impacts the body and how people are impacted by stress. I never thought of it that way. And that's what I wanted to do by giving you that step by step, because it is something that once you understand, and especially as we go through, each of the sessions, you will really connect with that. But now we're going to head into the stress test, right? The assessment that you are going to be giving your clients. Now, hopefully you had an opportunity to do the little quizzes as we go along, because it's important for you, like I said, to have watched the videos all the way through and especially downloaded the notes that I have available for you. Because when we go into the next section, right, that stress test, you're going to have more downloads, all right? I'm giving you just tons of resources that you are going to have at your fingertips, right? That way you don't have to spend the time and money creating these. They are done for you, but they're valuable. And, with that stress test, it is the stress coping mechanisms, all right? And it's bringing to your clients awareness, I do this, right? And I do this quite a bit. And is it helping me or is it hurting me? And you always want your clients to come from that place of, there's lots of things that I do and I do extremely well, but I see how that one is not working out for me. And that way you don't have to tell them anything, right? When you're going through the results with them. So make sure you watch the next section all the way through, because as we continue on, that will be a key foundation piece. Remember, any questions whatsoever, you're asking them in the Q&A section. Let's continue.